Experiencing a gray screen on Discord in Windows 11? Here are 3 quick ways to fix it. Close Discord completely by right-clicking its icon in the system tray and selecting Quit Discord. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box, type %appdata%/discord and press Enter. Find the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders, then delete the contents. Right-click the Discord shortcut or executable file and select Properties. Click the Compatibility tab, check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode 4, and select a compatible operating system, Windows 8 or Windows 7, from the drop-down menu. Click Apply and then OK. Relaunch the app. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the display adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for and install any available updates. Restart your computer and check if the error persists. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.